Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel, Island Life Comoros, where I share videos about tropical village life here in Comoros. So today I'm with my friend Matt. Matt is from Texas. He has just arrived in Comoros. It's now 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. So he's living here in Moroni. We are in Moroni, in the capital city of Comoros. Guess what? He's living inside the Medina. So he's helping me to make a tour of the Medina. Are you ready, Matt? Let's go.
Assalamu alaikum. Gawem nono.
Yeah.
Yes, so the market starts there and then goes that way.
Okay.
And we'll curve around to it.
You know, most of the time if I'm passing through these ways, I'm afraid because I think I'm gonna get into somebody's house. But it looks like you really mastered this place. You really know. It's 2 weeks that you are here and you know the different shortcuts. It's awesome. Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
So people, we are in the Medina of Moroni. Oh, this is how it looks like. Here we go.
Right up here is where all the men gather to play domino.
Wow. Oh,
and
yeah,
cards.
yeah. So,
Assalamu alaikum.
Oh.
On the side of this wall on the left is where the market is.
Yeah. The market is in our left. So, Matt, how did you discover this place?
I just walked
Somebody
a lot.
helped you, or? Huh?
No, I just walked until I figured it out.
So you just walked?
I just walked and figured it all out.
You didn't get lost someday?
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah.
Oh, I got lost a lot.
Did you end up entering somebody's house?
A couple times.
So what do you usually say if you get into somebody's home?
Hodi. Hodi.
Then after, if they say karibu?
Then I sit down and have tea with them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, once.
Good. Then after, you continue your
Then
way.
keep walking.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
So where do you live, you, here in the Medina?
If we take a right, we'll come to it.
Okay.
We'll swing to it.
Yeah. So we get
Assalamu alaikum.
the opportunity to see where Matt lives. Look, in front of us we have the oldest Friday mosque in Moroni. Matt, did you know that one is the oldest Friday mosque in Moroni?
I did.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the first mosque in the capital. The first Friday mosque of the capital.
So we're in the front of the Medina now.
Yeah, so this is the front of the Medina. As you can see, that's the city hall of Moroni. And yeah, let's go. Look at this, that is the ocean. Let's look at, what a beautiful view.
And the boys always swim.
Let's go. This is the sound of the Medina, so now we are going to discover another side of the Medina. Here we go. Yeah. So are you going that way? Assalamu alaikum.
So
this is where Matt lives.
up here.
There. And this is his door. Oh, beautiful.
And I live all the way up there.
You live all the way up there. This is beautiful. Do you like the place?
I love it.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So going this way?
Well, if I'm walking through the Medina in the mornings, I tell people Bariza Subuhi or Bariza Husha.
So what else can you say in Shikomori?
So I can say Gawe Mnono,
Which means?
how are you? or Ganiwamumu, Ganiwanono,
Ganyuanono.
which is plural.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Which means?
I actually don't know what that means. Peace be upon you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's great. Oh, so this side of the Medina is very quiet, very calm.
Yeah, this is between the market and Gobaju, which is like the main taxi to go south.
Do you sometimes go out at night in the Medina?
I do, yes. I love walking around at night. Whenever it's a little bit cooler, a lot of the men will be playing domino or checkers or...
Is it safe just for the
Totally
people who are
safe.
watching us? Because some people may think that, oh, this place is not safe.
Totally
Is it safe?
safe.
Do you feel safe when you are walking inside the Medina?
Yeah, it couldn't be more safe. I leave my doors open all day. Even if I'm not home, I leave my door open. My neighbors leave their door. Everybody here leaves their door open. It's totally safe.
This is great. How about local food? You sometimes try some local food inside the Medina?
Yes, chicken and rice and fish.
What's your favorite one? Like local dish, local meal?
I don't know what it is in Shingazija, but it's coconut chicken.
Coconut chicken? Oh, you have a friend there.
How are you?
Oh, Matt has friends here. Matt is known.
Yes, man.
How have you been?
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy.
Happy?
Yeah.
That's good to hear.
Ga-
Gawe mnono.
Alhamdulillah, everyone got none.
Game nono.
Do you know the name of this place?
Bajanani
Yes, Bajanani.
or Tsangani?
That's Arabic, Bajanani, Babul Jinan. That's an Arabic name. Let's go.
And then Mount Kartala is in the back.
Yeah, Mount Kartala is just behind the Medina. Please, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and consider come to Comoros to visit the islands and see this natural beauty. Yeah, so family, thank you for watching the video until the end. Goodbye.